What is the internal resistance of a 2.1-volt cell which gives a current of 0.2 amps to a resistance of 10 ohms? We will calculate the internal resistance of the cell step by step using Ohm's law and the concept of total resistance. Given electromotive force, that is EMF of the cell is E is equal to 2.1 volt, current I is equal to 0.2 amps, and external resistance R is equal to 10 ohms. The total resistance of the circuit includes the external resistance R and the internal resistance small r, given by E is equal to I into R plus R. Rearranging for internal resistance R, we get R is equal to E by I minus R. Substituting the given values, where E is nothing but 2.1, I is 0.2 amp, and R is equal to 10 ohms, we get internal resistance R is equal to 2.1 by zero point 0.2 minus 10, which is equal to 10.5 minus 10, which is equal to 0.5 ohms. The internal resistance of the cell is 0.5 ohms, so the correct answer is option A.